Hi, Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How are you doing today? Thank you so much for joining me. Today's a day of charms. I bought a whole bunch of charms from a vendor that we have in one of the Facebook groups that I'm in, and she does some lovely beadwork charms, and I just kind of fell in love with them. And then I asked her to do a custom charm at a lower price point if she could, because I wanted a total of 7 as a thank you gift for creators that are getting together to do the Galentines with me. But in February, I decided to do a Galentines exchange. So I sent it out to a whole bunch, and I had sent it out to Dawn from Dawnless Couture and Candy and Kanisha, but all of them were really busy at this time. I know Candy has cheerleading competition with her daughters, and Kanisha has a whole bunch of stuff. That woman is hugely busy. And Dawn originally said yes, and then she said no, and then later I found out on a live she did with Winnie is that they decided to do, in their group, they're going to do Galentines. But she did credit me and say that they got the idea from me, from my invitation to her, but they're going to do their own Galentines group together. So I was like, okay, that's cool, no problem. So there's 7 of us that are doing it in my group, which is, it is Sinise from Beverly Sinise. There is Nancy Carnes. There is Ray L from Ray L's Closet. Jackie from Jack's Bag Attack. Melissa from Melissa's Corner. Andrea from AKB Bags. And myself from Dee Dee Bean. And so there's 7 of us. So because you know, it took a lot of coordinating to get them together to do it and everything. And I was so excited about doing a Galentine's exchange that I wanted to do a thank you gift. So I sent them a few thank you gifts for doing it. And so I asked Beverly to see if she would be willing to do a smaller charm, not so big, but a smaller one at a lower price point for me, so I could get 7 of them to it. So she did a smaller price point for me, but she said she still made them as beautiful as, because she couldn't send something out. And I said, well, you know, I wasn't asking for you not to be fancy. I was just, you know, wanting to keep it at a smaller price point. And so she definitely came through with that. So I wanted to thank her by mentioning her on my channel, and then hopefully by the time I put this out, I will have listed in the description box. I'll have how you can get a hold of her. She has her own Facebook group, but I'm not sure how her Facebook group works. So I found her through a different Facebook group, but I'm in 2 of them with her. So the first one that I ordered back in January. This one is mailed January the 2nd. That's this one. And, ooh, very fancy. She's really quick on the, you know, on the shipping out and everything. She'll send you an invoice through PayPal, and you pay the PayPal, and then she takes care of it. She just has a little thank you for ordering and supporting my small business. Very nice. Here's a little container it comes in. Oh, and then she puts it in these pretty little things. Oh, okay. Oh, I don't even remember what I ordered. Okay. Oh, okay. So this is a purple one because I like purple. And it has a little beautiful purple pendant, and I fell in love with it. I think I want to say I paid $25 for these. They're gorgeous. They're nice and substantial. And I want to put this on one of my plum handbags. Then she also was just at the beginning of starting her Valentine's stuff. And I told her, I said, I want this one too. So I got this one. And I'll try to list what I paid for them down. I'm not sure. So this one has the hearts, and beautiful little hearts. And I thought that would be fun. So that was the first order that I ordered from her. The second order I ordered on, it was mailed out on January the 11th. Oh, I think this is another, yes, this is another custom order that I ordered. Did I customize them or I just bought them? Yes, she customized them for me. Okay, so I'm going on a group cruise, a friend's cruise in April. So there's going to be 3 of us this time. We're going with the couple that we always go with. And then there's another couple who our sons all played ball together on the same team. And they're going with us as well too this time. And it's their first time cruising. So I wanted to get a charm to commemorate the day. And this one, okay, this is for one of them. We kind of color coded some of the stuff, and here is for one of them. And she found these, she couldn't find any cruise ships because I wanted her to do a cruise ship. And she found this, which was an anchor on a wheel, you know, on a captain ship wheel. And this one is the primarily blue one, but it has all of our colors in it, which our colors are red. Mine's of course is red, and then my other friend's is a green, and then this one is blue. So the primary blue, but they have all of our colors in it. So there's this one. And then here's the one that's more on the green side. So I just let her do what she wanted. She said, here's some beads to pick from. And I told her which ones I like best. And then she did, you know, here's the anchor as well too. And see, this one's more on the green side. And it's more on the green side. And then here's mine, which I went more with, more on the red side, but it has all 3 colors in it. And she did a great job. See, so it's more on the red side. You know, first glance you look at it, it's red, but it has all the colors and it has the anchor as well on there. So Beverly, she did very, very well. Then the next one that I ordered was on the 15th of January. I just went charm crazy in January. And this one, oh, love this one. She had already shipped out the other one, so this one came on its own, and it is gorgeous. And she just had this one that was as is. Ooh. So here it's black and white with red, and it has the key down here on there. And this is my wedding colors, red and black and white, which we got married on Valentine's Day. So this is our colors. So I just fell in love with it. So I picked this one. This last one, I believe is what I picked for the Galentines gals. So I sent one to all of them, and I just told her that I wanted them to be smaller, the price point to be a little bit less, and that I just wanted it to have some Valentine kind of themes into it. I told her, I said, I know it's short notice, and I said, well, you know, maybe if he has a handbag charm, or you don't have to put any charm at all on it. You know, it's kind of whatever you have is fine. So she says, and I said, if you could just put maybe one heart or something on it. So she said she had some remnants left, and she just kind of put them all together. And this is what mine looks like. So the other 6 ladies should have one too. And so see how it's a little bit smaller, or, you know, than these. Well, that one's about the same size. Okay. So, but it doesn't have a big charm on it. Didn't have a big charm on it. So that's also too what lowered the price point, which I told her, I said, that's fine. You know, it didn't have to have any charm at all. But she has had these charms. So, So they should all get one of these. So I just wanted to let y'all know what she had. And I'm going to put it down in the description box, and I'm going to find out what she wants, how she wants y'all to get a hold of her. They're gorgeous. All right, thank you, Bean Beauties, for coming by and visiting. Don't forget, I still have a few of the magnets left. If y'all would like a magnet, just contact me via Instagram at beanbeautybagsit at Instagram, or via my email, beanbeautybagsit@yahoo.com. Give me your address of where you want me to mail this to you, and I'll be happy to mail this out to you for free. No problems. It's just a thank you gift to my viewers for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing, because without you doing all of those things, there's no way I would have reached 500 already before my birthday, and there's no way that I will be able to get to 1,010 so that I can get monetized. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, thank you very much for coming by to visit me, and I will see you soon. Love y'all. Bye-bye.